What it do? What's up? KDiani here in the cut, and today I'm going to be doing soft locks to my hair. My hair is already prepped and moisturized. I have a video on how I prep my hair for protective styling. I did go ahead and trim my ends because they were looking dusty. But now that my hair is all set, I'm going to go ahead and use the Bobbi Boss New Locs, the 18-inch in the color 4. I bought 6 packs. So the most annoying part to me, since I'm doing my hair myself, is sectioning. This probably takes me forever to do because I have to use a mirror, like in the back and all that other good stuff. But yes, I'm going to do sections. And I'm going to demonstrate how I do one lock, and then I'm going to go ahead and braid my whole head. Okay, so here I'm going to use the Let's Jam to just make my sectioning really sleek and clean, and also to keep my hair moisturized while I braid it. So as you can see here, I'm just going to go ahead and braid my hair. So once I finish braiding, I'm going to head and grab one lock. But before I insert the lock, I'm going to insert the crochet needle into the braid and then open up the loophole on the lock. So I'm going to hook the loop onto the crochet needle and I'm going to stick it through the braid. Instead of tying a knot with the lock and the braid, I'm just going to stick the braid through it so it can be like not bulky at the root. So you're going to have 2 pieces, and that's going to be the lock and the braid. So then at the end of the lock, I'm going to untwist it and create 2 pieces like so. I'm going to grab another lock, open up the loophole, and insert one of the pieces from the lock that we split into 2, and I'm going to stick it in there and tie a knot. Put it in there and tie a knot. Once you have your knot, you're going to have those 2 pieces. One of them you're going to wrap upward, and the other one you're going to wrap downward. Personally, I really don't like the idea of using nail glue, so I just rub my hands together. But you can go ahead and use nail glue. In some of the clips you are going to see me use nail glue, and in some of them you're not. So once you're done with that, you're going to get into wrapping the hair. I went off and started off with Cuban twist hair. I just cut it in half and fluffed it out a bit. But throughout the video, you're going to see I changed over to passion twist hair. I just prefer that better. It makes it look more natural, and it doesn't get as enlarged. You get what I'm saying? You'll see the difference when we get to that part in the clip. But you're just going to wrap from the root like 2 to 3 times, and that's about it. And there you go. That's one lock. Super long, 36 inches, honey. But I then went off ahead and just started to braid my whole head, because this is what's going to make the process quicker. You want to make sure you braid all of your hair and pre-extend all of your locks so that you don't spend as much time as I did doing this hairstyle. So once I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and pick up all of the braids that I did. Afterwards, I'm then going to go ahead and add one lock to each of those pre-sections that I did, and then I'm going to extend each one, and then after I extend each one, I'm going to wrap each one. So this is just going to make the process faster, adding the hair to each section and then going into extending and wrapping. So I'm going to go ahead and show you all one more time how I extend it. You're basically going to untwist the bottom of one lock, grab another lock and open the loop, stick one of the two pieces into the loop and tie a knot. Once you tie the knot, you're going to wrap one of the, I guess you can say, strings going up. One of the pieces, wrap it going upward, and the other piece you're going to wrap it going downward. Once I finish wrapping upward, I'm going to add a dime size of glue and just wrap that last piece around a couple of times. And I'm going to go ahead and wrap downward. I'm going to do the same thing, add a dime size of glue onto the last piece and wrap it all the way through so that I can stick with the nail glue. And then once I finish, I'm going to go ahead and do my infamous rub on it because I feel like it makes it look better. Okay, so this is the part where I'm showing you guys the difference. That one I used passion twist hair to wrap, and those two in the front I had used the Cuban twist hair, which I wasn't feeling. So I did go ahead and just start using the passion twist hair instead all over my head. Those two in the front, I took those pieces out. The ones I did in the back, I just left them as is because it didn't look bad, but I feel like the passion twist hair makes it look more natural. So this is the passion twist hair that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to go ahead and unravel it. Once I unravel it, I'm going to fluff it out, make it all fluffy, take out that pattern that it originally had. And once you finish fluffing it out, you're going to follow the same exact steps. And you're just going to grab the lock hair and your braided hair, and you're going to wrap the passion twist hair 2 to 3 times around the root, and you're just going to wrap all the way down. It's just different hair, same technique. I prefer the passion twist hair, makes it look more natural, not so much bulky like the Cuban twist hair. So if you guys do plan on doing this hairstyle, go ahead and get passion twist hair or spring twist hair because it is much softer. hair, I'm about almost done. I have like 3 more to wrap. I was so exhausted. It took me forever to do this. That's why it's important that you pre-section and you pre-extend your hair, because if not, you're gonna be extending as soon as you put the crochet in. Then you gotta wrap and all this other stuff. Just do everything before you start doing this hairstyle, because if not, you're gonna be at it for a minute. This took me about like 6 hours. I was so dead, so dead. But it then turned out to come out so cute, super cute. So this is the final look, 100% done. I love these, like they're so lightweight and like movable, and they're so cute, and they're super long and it's just extra, just like me, super extra. So I'm going to go in with the Mill Rosemary Mint Scalp and Strengthening Oil, and I'm going to put that all over my scalp because it feels relieving, and I'm going to massage it because a healthy scalp brings healthy hair. So this is what it looks like, all done up, it did up, and your girl threw on her lashes. Serving, because I'm serving y'all some looks right here. This hair is like super bomb. I love it. Mad cute. Definitely a go-to like vacation hairstyle. You know what I'm talking about? You better go to the Caribbean, the islands. This is perfect. Y'all gotta hop on it. It is like mad cute. I just want to show y'all like how long these things is. Like they is mad long, and like they look so natural. Like I don't know how much more I can express how natural they look. Like they look mad natural. But that about wraps up this video. If you're new to my channel, you made it this far, make sure you press that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share the video. Until next time, mucho besitos.